For today's stuff, the first thing we're going to be looking at, the lecture I already showed it, so I'm not going to show the lecture here, but on the work, the way we're going to be doing this, when I'm asking you guys to solve for x, and I'm giving you guys two angles on the inside and the opposite angle on the outside, the way we're going to do this, we're going to add the two angles on the inside. So 7x, in this case 7x minus 1 plus 11x plus 2, add the 2 on the inside, and it's equal to, in this case, 127, the angle on the outside. The left side, I can combine my like terms. 7x plus 11x, that's 18x. Negative 1 plus 2, that's positive 1. And this is equal to 127. Let me subtract 1. So we have 18x is equal to 126. So x must be equal to 7. Now looking at my example number 2, once again, add the two angles on the inside. 10x plus 1 plus 11x plus 1 is equal to, in this case, 65. Separate them through the equal sign. Combine your like terms. 10x plus 11x is 21x. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal to 65. Right? I just condensed the left side. Let me move the 2 over as a minus 2. So I have the 21x equals 63. We can agree x is equal to 3, right? Divide both sides by 21. However, here the instructions are find the measurement of angle C. Angle C, here's my angle C. I can see that it's 11x plus 1. Since x equals 3, I'm going to go 11 times 3 plus 1. I know 11 times 3 is 33. Plus 1 gives me 34. So question number 1, I was just asking to solve for x. So x equals 7. Question number 2, I'm asking to find the measurement of an angle. So solve for x and then substitute it back in where the angle is. Another example that I have are with the measurement of sides, state if the three numbers can be the measure of the sides of a triangle. The numbers are going to be given to you in any order. Don't think it's going to be from small to large or large to small. No, it's going to be in any order. The way we're going to see if these three can be the size of a triangle, I'm going to add the two smaller numbers, in this case 10 plus 3, and it has to be bigger, cannot be equal to or less than, it has to be bigger than the big side. So 10 plus 3 has to be bigger than 11. So I ask myself, is 10 plus 3 more than 11? In this case, yes. Those three can be the sides of a triangle. Now looking at question number 4, two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. My third side, I'm going to call it x, and it has to be between two numbers. My numbers, the smallest number it could be is 2. So as a matter of fact, x is greater than 2. And the big number in this case is 18. So x has to be a number between 2 and 18, not equal to 2 and not equal to 18. How do you come up with those two numbers? From 10 and 8, if you subtract them, that's how you come up with the 2. And if you add them, that's how you come up with the 18. Lastly, I'm going to look at these examples. Order the angles in each triangle from smallest to largest. We're asked to order the angles, but we have the sides. But the smallest side, in this case 11, is always opposite from the smallest angle. Since the opposite side, the opposite angle from 11 is angle B, I'm going to say the smallest angle is angle B. Then I go to the medium angle or medium side, 16. 16 is opposite from angle D, so that's the medium side. And lastly, the biggest side, in this case 19, is opposite from angle C. The biggest side is opposite from the biggest angle, and the smallest side is opposite from the smallest angle. So my angles are B, D, and C. Now, in question number 6, I'm given the angles, and I'm asked to order the sides of each triangle from shortest to longest. The smallest angle In this case, it's 35. It is opposite from this side. When we name a side, we have to mention the two letters that make the side. The order does not matter. I'm gonna go XV. I could have gone VX, so XV or VX. Make sure they're both capital. Then the medium angle in this case is 53, which is opposite from this side, which I'm gonna call XW. And the biggest side, I see 92 is the biggest angle. The biggest side in this case, WV. Once again, the smallest angle is opposite from the smallest side, and the biggest angle is opposite from the biggest side.